Hello everyone, how are you all doing? My name is Esther of the Esther's Chronicles TV. I'm a YouTuber based in Zurich, Switzerland. Welcome back, all my returning subscribers. Thank you so much. This is for you. Thank you so much. I appreciate the love, the share, the support is massive. I see it and I truly appreciate you. Welcome to those that are just joining the family. Just take this as your official welcome hug. You are welcome. You're welcome to a happy place and a joyful zone. So today I'm here to react to a video. So last month this video was trending. It has to do, I'm very passionate when it comes to women, marriage, and everything that has to do with a woman being a better person. I advocate happiness for a woman because we go through a lot and we just ask for happiness, peace of mind, and joy. So I always want every woman to be happy. It's not like I don't want men to be happy, but because I'm a woman, I'm always up for women supporting women, even though sometimes it goes bad, but nevertheless, we'll still keep supporting ourselves. So in the light of that, today I'm here to talk about Mercy Aigbe. So last month, this news was trending about her getting married. And I really wanted to do a live stream about it. I wanted to record a video about it. But somehow I was so busy. I even made a commitment to it, which I could not. And I just let it slide. I just felt, Esther, it's not everything you talk about. Yeah, even though I don't like talking about everything, but I talk about things that I'm very passionate about. And this one thing about women happiness, I am big on it. So recently, 2 days ago, 3 days ago, all of a sudden, the issue start trending again. And if you say, Esther, what's this issue? Mercy Aigbe is a Nollywood actress. Yes, she's a Nigerian actress. She had an issue with her marriage. I also advocate if a marriage is not working, don't die there. And for her, it was a case of domestic violence, abuse, a lot of things that are not worthy of praise. So she left the marriage. Few years later, 2 months ago or a month ago, we saw her getting married to a man that is married. Yes, a man that is married. The man has 4 kids and a wife in America, and then the man is in Nigeria. Somehow they say they are business partner. One thing led to another. They fell in love and they are getting married. Okay, it's okay. The woman in America was not saying anything. You know, most times housewives, they just like to still cover the man. The woman was not saying anything. You have married somebody's husband. You want to be a second wife. It's okay. Be your second wife in peace. But the problems that we had with it, that we Nigerians and everybody had with it, was the fact that you kept splashing pictures of the man. You kept smashing pictures upon pictures of the man on Instagram. And you know this man had a wife. You know this man had 4 children in America. The woman in America was not saying anything, but people were talking on her behalf that the man was not divorced. But the woman just kept quiet. But Mercy was just going. A lot of people bashed her. People even came out to say that, you have married, you have been second wife in peace. Everybody have left you. But Mercy wanted people to just accept it. No, that's one thing about this time and age. When people are doing bad things, is it bad enough that they are doing something bad? They want to shove it down people's neck to accept it. And people say no. And like 2 weeks, that's one thing about trending news. 1 week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, it will die down. The issue just gradually fade off the mainstream media until 2 days ago, Mercy came out again to go and grant an interview with this man. I mean, how do you do this to a fellow woman? How do you ride on somebody's... I don't know. The woman, there's no woman that the husband will marry, even if they are Muslims. Muslims will say they can marry 4 women. Even at that, no woman will be happy for the husband to have another wife. But because of the religion, these women accept it. Mercy kept just flaunting, kept flaunting pictures upon pictures. And this one that broke the camel back, that I said I have to talk about, is was the fact that she went and granted an interview saying that she doesn't know the first wife. She said she doesn't know the first wife. Meanwhile, a lot of people were saying she and the first wife, they were friends. She claimed that she said so many things. And the husband man, brother, to sat down to claim that he is a Muslim, and as a Muslim, he's allowed to marry 2 wives. Okay, no problems. And Mercy just kept wagging. So this video, I'm going to play a video for you. But before then, the first wife had to come out to debug some things that Mercy was saying in that video. I want you to sit back, watch this part, and I'll come back to put an end to this video. Let's just watch this skit together, okay? Thank you. If you are still here, please like the video, thumbs up, and share the video out if you like. I will appreciate that. But let's listen to this together, okay? Thank you.
This is what she has to say. She said, let's get the record straight. This post is regarding an interview recently going around by Media Room Hall with my soon-to-be. You see how she put the soon-to-be in quotes? She put it in bold letters, and she put it in bold and in quotes, soon-to-be ex-husband, in one of his numerous lies. Okay? I want you all to know that in contrary to what Mr. Adeoti said, I did not and I will never settle to have a second wife in my marriage to him. Can you see? She's confirming the snatching. She said she did not agree. She's not aware because Kazim was saying that I'm married to 2 women. I'm married to 2 people. I'm a Muslim, so my religion permits me. So she came out and clarified it. Okay? She said, Kazim, you need to stop painting a perfect picture of a marriage you clearly do not have with me. Oluwafunsho Asiwaju culture. Asiwaju couture. You and your side chick can continue whatever it is that you are doing, but never come out to social media degrading me or my children with your demeaning and childish attitude. I will not stoop to your level of rubbish and stupidity. Then she went ahead to say, as for you, Mercy, let's cut the crap. I like this woman. I too like this woman. She know they talk plenty. When she talks more, it they hit, it they deep. She said, as for you, Mercy, let's cut the crap. We were friends, but the shame of your glam lifestyle will not let you admit it. You have been sleeping with Kazim since your son was only 5 months old. My people, what does this confirm? So what Mrs. Adeoti, soon to be Mrs. Adeoti, just confirmed to us is what Mercy's ex-husband was saying about her sleeping with this man while they were still married. So if this woman is saying what Mercy's ex-husband, Gentry, said, that while they were married, he was sleeping with, with Kazim, how can, that was when they were married, 5 months old boy. She was still in the marriage. She was in that marriage, as far as I know, till that boy was like maybe 10 or 9 years old. She said, I introduce you to Kazim as my friend. All you women in the house, big lesson. All you married women that have bestie. Bestie. Kazim wife say, I introduce you to Kazim as my friend. I called and personally invited you and your ex-husband to his 40th surprise birthday party. I did this for my soon-to-be ex-husband. You were a constant friend of mine back then. I brought you close as a friend because I liked you, but you repaid me by sleeping with my husband, Kazim. Let that sink in, my people. And then she finished by saying, you were a problem in my marriage for years. You were a problem in my marriage for years. Now, I'm happy to let you know this is only the beginning of the end for you. I'm done. He's all yours. Enjoy. I'm really past this. Like I said in my first post, losing someone who does not respect or appreciate you is actually a gain, not a loss. Thank you all. A queen, I stand. Oh my God. When are they here? So, all the PR stunts that Mercy is doing, all the publicity, I'm happy to be a second wife. We were never friends. I didn't know her. We just took picture in a party. Kazim wife don't expose Mercy nyash for outside. Afẹ́fẹ́ ti fẹ́, àti rí fúnra adìẹ. The woman just exposed Mercy, say, Mercy, you get pikin 6 months old. Woman, if someone that considered you a friend, I introduced you to her husband with a 6-month-old baby. She said, this is what you were doing. And you expect people to respect you? No wonder she's granting interview up and down, doing photo shoot up and down. Every day she's posting. Now she says she's becoming an alaja because when they asked her in the interview whether she was whether religion was a problem because the man is a Muslim and Mercy has always been so loud about her Christian life, her Christian value, how she's a prayer warrior, how she has prayed herself from poverty to riches. And I see what my mommy Gio Christian mother said when they asked him. He said, "Oh, the love that they've shown me in the Muslim community. It's too much. They showed me too much love. Somebody even sent me a prayer mat. Somebody sent me a Quran. Somebody sent me this. Oh, they've embraced me. And because of that, now I'm considering it. He's not putting pressure on me, but I might just become a Muslim. I will become. I'm not saying that there's anything wrong with becoming a Muslim, but if you claim that you are a mommy Gio that knows the Lord, you are a Christian and you serve God, like Mercy has always claimed, if you follow her, you will know because I follow her for years. How easy is it for you to change your faith, just change your religion because of man? And then she went on and started saying, "Oh, it's the same God we serve. We serve the same God." So she doesn't see anything wrong in it. My goodness. I look this woman, I shake my head. I shake my head and say, wow. If desperation was a human being with legs and hands, hmm? If desperation was a human being, now Mercy, they will call him. Why are you so freaking desperate, Mercy? Eh? Why you married a man? We don't even forget. We don't talk this matter, forget. Months ago, nobody's even talking about you. Now you see Dragon, go do photo shoot. Now you Dragon, they take picture up and down. Now you they post every day. They call yourself the owner. Aya the owner. This, that, this, that. And you know, the thing that is so painful to me, why I feel the pain of the real Mrs. Adeoti, soon to be ex Mrs. Adeoti, is that you know that this man has children who are likely to be on social media. You know that this ex, soon to be ex-wife, is still on social media, yet you don't even respect the fact that you knew this woman before. The man is not posting, no, but every day Mercy is posting. Every day she's posting. Why? You want to pepper them, you want to show them, or people to uh you want people to believe that okay, this is a good is a happy marriage. Hmm? Yeah, it's the same thing. We established that in the previous video that we did. They said, "Oh, we yagbon lomoran." It's the same thing. They say her mother was like this. This is what a lot of people who knew them was saying.
So, my people, can you see that? Can you hear that? That they were friends, that the man was sleeping with Mercy when the child was 5 months old. I don't even need to go, but this is my own take on it. Dear woman, nobody said you shouldn't be happy. I'm an advocate for happiness because happiness is a good fever. But if your happiness will have to cause another woman tears, that is not happiness. That is wickedness. If because this woman claimed that you guys are friends, so my fellow women also, we need to be careful. And like I always say, you can't even watch yourself. It's only God that can watch us. But nevertheless, let's just be praying. Don't cease. Just be praying that God should expose any friend that is not supposed to be yours. And sometimes when God takes out some people in your life, and this is a lesson to me, don't go dragging those people back because you were not there. They must have thought about something that only God can see. Yoruba will say, Ọlọ́run ni arínúróde. There is a God that sees the mind of a man that the mere eye cannot see. So have you seen that? So if you say you want to be happy, because Mercy kept saying in an interview she granted the other time that the man makes her happy. The man is her friend. She's free around the man. Why must he be somebody's husband? Mercy, you are a beautiful lady. You can get any man you want to get. It's the same way Mercy came out the last time to start telling ladies to go if they are dating married men. I mean, I think I should do a second part of this video to address that other issue. I don't want this video to be too long. But please, if your happiness makes somebody else not happy, that is not good, especially when it has to do with a married man. Because don't forget, especially if you are a parent, just know that whatever you do today, you are passing the baton to your children. I pray that God will help us to pass the right baton to our children. May we not pass baton of hatred, of bitterness, of negativity to our children in Jesus' name. So if you have watched this video to this extent, I want to say a big thank you to you. I just thought I should put my voice on that to let you know that happiness is a good fever, but if your happiness causes another person to not be happy, you need to watch it. Till I see you in my next video, please leave me a comment. I like to read your comment. And Thumbs up the video if you haven't. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.